I have been getting so many questions on how to make chocolate ganache. It's so simple to make. It's chocolate and cream. It's a chocolate topping that you can use to top your dessert game. It's a slam dunk, baby. It's a few ingredient rocket. It's the mascara ink and makeup. It's the bomb, baby. Welcome to Cheeky Sassy Me. If you like fun and funny videos, make sure to hit that bell and subscribe. And comment if you want to. That'd be awesome.
Wow! Come on, groove it on. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey.
If you've never seen Ganache in action, make sure to watch my milkshake video. The things you need are cream, dark chocolate, and milk chocolate, and a pot and a stove. Animal. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is heat up our cream. Now we're going to chop up our dark and milk chocolate. Now I'm gonna add in my chopped chocolate to my bowl. Now I'm gonna add in our cream and then we're gonna mix. And by the way, this heats up faster than the chocolate. Off the heat. And you also wanna mix it vigorously. This is how it looks like when you're all done. If you like fun and pretty videos, make sure to hit that bell and subscribe and comment down below. And I know about you guys, I love some chocolate. I use dark because I'm dieting.